guys, it's me, and today we are playing some Minecraft. And right now, I should really scoot this over. And I have a new world, and I don't have a house, so I'm gonna make one. There. Now you are tied over there, boy. You can't escape. So maybe I'll build my house over here. So should really put this away, and I'm gonna make my house out of this door, and I need this, and I need some regular oak wood stairs, and I don't know why I have this there, and mostly oops. I'm gonna put that over there, and that over there, and that over there. Right? That's weird. Okay, let's go over here, and I'll go get actually no, I'll go over here. I'll go get what could I get? I might as well get, all right, I'm gonna search for oak wood planks. So mostly now I need right now I'm gonna put this over here and that over there. So now I'm gonna place, oops. Okay. So I'm gonna make a little secret base over here. Oh God. Did my horse escape? Please tell me he didn't. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna check on my horse. Yep, he's still there. He's still there. He's died. No, do not collect that sand that I just collected. Why did I collect sand? Why do I even... Oh, maybe it might help me when I go back to survival. It might help you on escaping and on escaping places. Maybe like from escaping a sand temple if I ever find one. Or escaping Herobrine's house through the roof. Which is the easiest way really to get out. And also I got a new friend. Before the video even started, I asked if he was here, and I still haven't gotten an answer. So when I started this video, I was checking on him. Okay. Slash time set 0 time set 0 time set 0. Good, it's daytime. I hope. Whoa, it's morning. It's not day at all. It's morning. He's tied up, which is good, because he won't escape. And I might leave him there as well, because I don't want him to escape. So maybe that's where he's gonna live. I'm gonna give him like a little water bucket place where he can drink his water when he needs it. Okay. So maybe this whole place is gonna be my house. Yeah, I pretty much think so. Okay. Every time I see a video, they like cover up the floor, and I'm like, why don't they make a secret base under? There. So mostly, yeah, I'm gonna make a secret base. Well, not really a secret. I'm just gonna put a sign by it that will say the mine, and it'll have some little stairs. And I'm gonna block up that. Oh, that just made it bigger. There. So now I'm just gonna dig it. Oh, I hadn't seen that over there. Oh god. I'm gonna make like little stairs. Kinda. And now. And there. So now I can go down here. Break this and go down here. And if somebody wants to go down there, pretty much have to go down there myself. Ooh, that was... Huh? What? No. Okay. Now I have to get up here. Pretty much. I don't like flying. Should I break this and make a little stair over here? Oh, that was gravel. And I just collected it. So I'm gonna make like the little going down place over here. Actually, no, I'm not gonna make the trapdoor over there. So this whole entire cave is gonna be part of my house. Actually, I want the trapdoor to go over here. I hope I don't forget. Oh no, actually I don't want a trapdoor. I'm just gonna make some little stairs, and then I'm gonna break this as well, and make it like that. And now I'm gonna make it like that and that. And that. Now I have to... What? Oh, okay. Jenna. Pretty much that's good. Yeah, I think so. I don't want to cover those stairs up. Which I kind of do. But like, I'm going to put it over here. There. I'm not gonna block this part up at all. Actually, yeah, I am. But like, what am I doing? This. Then I'm gonna put it like that. And now like this. And there. That's all. Now, browse door. All right. Now, break this, break that. No. I did not mean to do that. I'm forgetting my controls. I'm not gonna make a second floor at all. So maybe this is the second floor, and that might be the basement. Actually, this is the first floor, and I'm not gonna have a second floor. Because who wants a second floor? You don't need a second floor at all. Oh, guys, we have 2 minutes left, I think. Have to do the math, but I don't really have to because we're playing Minecraft. We're not doing math. We're not in math class. Okay. So can I? No, I can't fit through there. Here. Here. Actually, I'm gonna fly while I do this because I do not like walking when I have to fly. Okay. Is my horse trying to escape? I think so. Just gonna leave my horse there. So I was gonna make Reebok9, who griefed my house, to help me make the house. But now, if I don't finish it in this video, I'm gonna make another video, and it's gonna be called Finishing My House, and I'm gonna, in that video, if he doesn't come when I make that video, then I'm gonna make him decorate my house instead. Help me decorate it. And if you guys know how to build those cool beds, teach me how. In the comments, or just in the comments, down in the comments, there's some information of what my name tag is, and you could just add me as your friend, and I will accept it. Pretty much. Oh no. Okay. Oh, I got scared. It looked like my horse got escaped, and I was like, oh no, oh no, oh no, it can't be possible. How did my horse break out? I hate nighttime. It's almost nighttime. Okay, please. 1 minute left of this video. Guys, I'm sorry. My videos are always 15 minutes. Like, that's all the time I can make. Because then I would have to pay $25 for 1 hour. $25 for 1 simple hour. Okay, so I'm gonna have to stop the video right here. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.